Hi, my name's Eamon, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add related documents to a page on the Symphony3 WhiteLabel. To add a related documents section, go to Content and click Edit for your desired page. Click the Add Paragraph button in the lower left corner and select the Related Documents paragraph type. Give the section a title, as you would like it to appear on your page. Click on the Add Media button to browse the media gallery and select your related documents. Alternatively, you can browse for these documents locally on your computer. Click Insert Selected once you have made your selection. You can view your changes before saving using the Preview button at the top right, and always remember to save your changes before you finish. That's a brief overview of how to add related documents to a page. I'll see you in the next video.